Good Christmas morning. It's 2025. We're having a great Christmas morning. We're going to make Brenda Gantt's macaroni and cheese. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is get our macaroni bouillon. This is a 32-ounce box. I'm just using half of it. While the macaroni is cooking, we're going to grate 3 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. Is everybody having a great Christmas morning? And I would recommend, as she did as well, that you use not bagged cheese, that you use actually a block and grate it yourself. It's harder, but it's worth it in the recipe. Okay, that looks like 3 cups for sure. Might be a little more. I don't think you can go wrong with too much cheese. Okay. Get this cleaned up a little bit. Okay. Okay, next we mix 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1 stick of butter. Okay. This mixed together. Sometimes I hate this whisk. It's like it has too many prongs. Everything just clumps up in it. Do y'all have that happen? Not cooperating this morning. Okay. Okay, I have rinsed my noodles. I'm actually going to put them back into the pot that I cooked them in. And then this is the cream cheese and butter mixed. We're going to pour that in. And I'm going to fold all this. Okay, that's looking good. And 1 cup of milk. Back to my other spoon. Okay. Now, this will go back on the stove. And then we'll add in our cheddar cheese and melt. Get all of it. My dishwasher is playing you a tune. I'm going to let that heat up just a moment. Now, at this point, if it starts looking too dry, this is when we just add in more milk. Starting to melt a bit. I think I'm going to add a little more cheese. I noticed that once my cheese had sat in the cup, you guys can't see me cutting my head off, that it kind of settled down, and so maybe it wasn't quite 3 cups. I don't think you can ever get too much cheese, right? So I think I may add just a little bit more. So I'm going to turn the burner off while I grate up just a little bit more cheese. Okay, so I'm going to add this much more cheese in. It just didn't look cheesy enough to me. And I'm going to have my milk ready in case we need to add more in. And add just a little bit more milk. It's going to be a bit before we eat it, so I can get away with probably a little more milk. That looks amazing. Okay, I think it's done, and that's it. Since it's going to be a while before we have lunch, I actually have my crock pot heated up just on low, very low warm, and I'm just going to pour it into there so it'll stay warm until we're ready to eat. But first, I'm going to give it a try. I could eat the entire bowl of this. That is really good. I've got to have more. The cheddar cheese is really good. Of course, it does have a strong cheddar flavor, but that's all right by me. So good. Make this, you guys. This was great. Hope everybody has an awesome Christmas day. Spend time with your family. Take care. Thanks for joining Recreate the Plate.